Off the beaded path, your beading starts here. Shop it off the beaded path bead store.
As 2025 rolls to an end, it is time for our yearly year in review. My name is Kelly Dale with offthebeadedpath beadstore.com. And for those of you who have never seen our year in review, basically at the end of each year, I try to come up with a document for you guys that you can download that has every single video or pattern that I released in the previous year. So this year of 2025. So this year's document, as always, is free over at offthebeadedpath.beadstore.com. When you get your document this year, this is what the first page is going to look like. This year's end of review is 16 pages, and here is why. Because when you see this year's year in review, you will see the slide that I used for that video. You will see something new this year. You are going to see QR codes. So the QR codes are great because if you print this document out, you can actually take your phone camera or your iPad camera or whatever and point it towards that QR code, and it will pop up on the screen and it will give you a link, and you click on that link and it will take you straight to the video or the pattern, whichever one I did for the project. So it's a great way to be able to get access to things. Also, you'll notice I have hyperlinked every link in the document this year. So what that means is if you see it highlighted in blue and you are on a tablet or any sort of digital device, all you have to do is click on that. It will pop up and say, I'm taking you elsewhere, and you will click open, and then it will take you to either the video or the pattern or whatever there was for that project. So everything is hyperlinked this year. This is a great thing to add to your beading library because then you will be able to look back and help to remember and maybe even see things that you missed or things that you want to try for future projects. It's just a great way to have everything in one fun document. And you'll see here, again, it is 16 pages, and I did a little thank you there at the end. And again, it is free over at offthebeadedpath.beadstore.com. We'll put a link below in that video description box for you, and it will be on the homepage for the month of end of December, first month of January. And I just want to say, number one, thank you to all of you who supported me in 2025 and have supported me in the past. Your support means the world to me and my family. Honestly, the first January through May of this year, I really did not think that I would... I really didn't think that I would have a bead store in December. So thank you. Thank you so much to each of you who supported us this year. We really, really appreciate it. And I hope that 2026 will be able to allow me to bring you guys more beading content and more fun beading adventures. I hope that each of you, I hope that each of you have a Merry Christmas, a Happy Kwanzaa, a Happy Hanukkah, and a very Happy New Year.
Your beading starts here. Shop it off the beaded path bead store.com. Bring your vision near. Off the beaded path, where projects come alive. Join us for some magic. Let your